Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video we will show you the full use of Camscanner. So let's begin the video. Camscanner is a document scanner app which is used in mobiles, Androids. So first of all we will open your Camscanner app. So here you can scan document to PDF. You can also you will simply tap on this camera which is shown at the corner. So we have a document here, so we will take a picture of it. So the cam scanner you will tap on next. Cam scanner will scan it. So this is the picture we have taken from cam scanner. If you want to document it or PDF it, you will simply tap on this tick at the corner. So at the top there is a PDF written option. You will simply tap on that PDF. You will tap on I got it. So this has been saved. So you can share from here. If you want to WhatsApp, you can send on Teams, you can send on Gmails, anywhere you can send it. So this is the process of Camscanner, how to use and how to import. You can so basically it's a document app. We can it is used for clearance of documents. So this is the use of Camscanner app. These are the settings of it. There we have more settings. You can manage documents. You can display the size, phone memory. Here is the phone memory. So basically it is used to take a picture and clear it and save into PDF. This app only use is for documents. Like this we will do it again. You will take a picture, the cam scanner will clear it like this, and you will go to tick. So you will save as PDF. So this picture have been saved to your new document. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.